for the half double crochet, I'm starting with a chain of 20. You're going to yarn over and insert your hook into the third chain from the hook. So you don't count this loop that's on your hook, you count down 1, 2, 3. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, pull a loop through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over again, pull a loop through, 3 on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. That's the half double crochet. So just continue working half double crochets all the way to the end of the chain. Yarn over into the next chain, yarn over, pull a loop through, yarn over and pull through all 3. Now that you're to the end of the chain, you finish your last half double crochet. You have your first row finished. To make the second row, you're going to chain 2 to get it to the right height. Turn your work like if it's a page in a book. And you're going to make your first half double crochet in the first stitch because the chain does not count as a stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook under both loops, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over and go through all 3 loops. You just continue making half double crochets in each stitch across. When you finished your second row, you continue doing the same thing for each additional row. Chain 2, turn your work, and work a half double crochet in each stitch. For this swatch, I'm going to do 16 rows of half double crochets. That's a completed swatch of 16 rows of half double crochet, and each row has 18 stitches in it.